Welcome to today's financial news under 3 minutes. I'm Victoria and I bring you the latest market updates and key trends shaping the financial world. So let's get started. The US stock market has seen a significant downturn today, with major indices reflecting investor concerns over economic growth and corporate earnings. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by about 340 points, while the S&P 500 dropped around 1% and the Nasdaq Composite declined approximately 1%. This decline comes on the heels of first quarter GDP data showing a contraction of 0.3%, marking an economic slowdown rather than growth. Investor sentiment is decidedly negative as market participants react to these developments with heightened anxiety about the broader economic recovery. The downturn underscores investor uncertainty, which could lead to further volatility in stock prices as investors reassess their positions and adjust their portfolios accordingly. The single quarter of negative GDP growth does not automatically signal an immediate recession, but adds to existing concerns over global economic challenges and the impact of tariffs on business, costs, and consumer spending. Companies may need to revise their earnings projections downward, potentially leading to reduced profitability and lower stock valuations. This could further dampen investor confidence in the market. In response to these developments, policymakers are likely to consider adjustments in monetary policy to support economic recovery while carefully managing inflation risks. Additionally, there might be calls for fiscal stimulus measures to counteract the slowdown and boost economic activity. The implications of this downturn extend beyond US borders as the global economy is closely intertwined with American markets. International investors may reassess their portfolios and adjust their exposure to US assets based on these developments, potentially affecting other economies that are closely integrated through trade or investment. In conclusion, today's market performance reflects a challenging economic environment characterized by slower growth and increased uncertainty. Investors should remain vigilant as more data becomes available and policymakers make decisions in response to these trends. Stay tuned for further updates as we navigate this evolving financial landscape together.